What is up, you guys? Welcome to the 12th tutorial of programming in C, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk about application of loops. Now for these applications I'm going to use for loop. You can use any of the loops you want, but I'll be using for loops. Loops have a really very wide range of applications you cannot even imagine. I'll In this tutorial I'll be showing you a simple program of finding the sum of first n natural numbers, where n will be the input from the user and we will be like, okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus blah 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 till n. Okay, so in order to do this program, we have to declare some variables. Let's declare the variable I for loops, n for the user inputs, and we will be requiring another variable called sum for actually storing the sum of first n natural numbers. Okay, and we will also initialize this sum to 0. Okay, now first of all, let's take the input from the user. So let's say the user to enter a number so that we can find the sum, and let's put this on a new line. So let's use our awesome function to actually take the input. The input will be integer type, and do not forget our ampersand because it's scanf and we store it in n. Now we start our for loop. Okay, we end this. uh, Very good. Okay, sorry. So now we initialize I till to 1. I'm sorry. Now we want this loop to run n times. Okay, we don't really want the loop to run 3 times or 4 times, but how much ever number the user has inputted. So we write this thing as I is less than or equal to n. Okay, this will be the condition. I is less than or equal to n because n is the input from the user, and we increment I by 1. Now we come inside the loop tab. Okay, now the simple one line code for adding all the numbers and storing it in the variable sum is equal to sum plus I. Just think on this. This is pretty much it of the program. We have actually stored the sum till n numbers in the variable called sum. Pretty confusing. Okay, so what this loop does is, okay, first time it will run with I is equals to 1. Let's just, for example, say user has inputted 3 instead of n. Okay, so let's imagine 3 instead of n, and this loop will run 3 times. So first of all, I is 1, so I will be 1 here, and sum is 0, so sum is equals to 0 plus 1, so sum will be 1 now. Okay, sum is 1 now. Now the loop will run the second time, so 1, sum is 1 plus second time, so 2. So 2 plus 1, 3, and loop will run the third time and the last time. Now the sum is 3, so 3 plus 3 is 6. So that's how the sum variable keeps getting updated, and the only thing remains is to print it out. So we print it out person D. Sorry, let's move the arrow, and we print out sum. Let's run this and see what happens. So enter a number 3 and it gives us 6. We can enter any number like 9 and it will give us the sum till 9, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus what comes after 4, plus 5, I think, plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. Okay, there you go. So this is the awesome function we create, I'm so sorry, this is the awesome program we created to add the numbers till the user has inputted. So I think just play around with it. There are literally many applications using for loops. We can also find the factorial of a number using for loops, and I think that's it. I'll be stopping about st I'll stop talking about loops for now. and in the next tutorial maybe I'll start with the conditions. Okay, so stick around with me. Thanks for watching, and we meet in the next video.